How to use affiliate marketing on YouTube. Hey, have you wanted to do some affiliate marketing and use YouTube to do it? Well, that's a pretty good idea because it works really well. It's something I do, and if you want to learn how to do it and make a lot of money and do it right, you're going to want to watch this video to the very end. Don't forget to subscribe, right? Hit that button down there, turn that red button to a gray button, and ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that you are notified every single time I do a new video. Now, marketing on YouTube is awesome, and here's why it's really awesome: because it's free. Okay, when you're doing a video on YouTube like what I'm doing right now, I'm allowed to do this video for free, and I really appreciate the platform. I really appreciate YouTube. YouTube is an awesome platform to be on, and they give us a free platform. Now I hear some people complain, well, you know, YouTube puts ads now on videos that aren't even monetized. They're not paying people. Well, you know what, they're also not charging people. Okay, they're not charging you to do a video. I mean, YouTube at this point has 2 billion users, and they're saying, hey, you can use our platform for free. YouTube is now the second largest social media platform in the world, and they let you use it for free. Matter of fact, marketers, when they were polled, 78.8% said that video marketing on YouTube is the best place to do it on the entire internet. Now that's pretty substantial. And if you don't think the market is there, the ages of 18 to 44, that's 90% of the users on YouTube. So you're going to hit the right market. Hey, get this is something that really surprised me. 51% of people over 75 said they use YouTube on a regular basis. So you're really hitting on all cylinders if you're doing something on YouTube. That's why affiliate marketing works so well on YouTube. Now if you're not on YouTube, and I know you are now because you're watching this video, but if you haven't started a channel there, if you haven't started uploading videos, you're missing out. It's the place you got to be. Now the one thing I hear is, well, I don't have any subscribers, JR, and nobody's watching my videos. We all start with no subscribers. There's not a channel on YouTube that started with subscribers. Now maybe some of the channels had a list, and they started a channel and they emailed their list, they said, hey, I got this YouTube channel now. But I would say for the most part, when people go on YouTube, they don't have anything. They don't have a list. This is kind of fun for me. I like to look at some of the biggest YouTubers. I follow a lot of the food bloggers. One of my favorites, Mark Wiens, and I look at his channel. But here's what I do: I go back and I click on videos, and then I click sort by oldest. And when I click sort by oldest and I look at their original video, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's terrible. It's always terrible. I mean, there's a few exceptions, but for the most part, when people first get on YouTube, it's not that good. I mean, you could go back on this channel right here, do the same thing with me, you know, click videos, click sort by, and find my oldest video, and you're gonna find it's pretty terrible. It's pretty terrible. It's not good. But what happens is over time you evolve, and hopefully you get better. I mean, I try to do better. I try to have better sound and better lighting and better backdrops, and as I get better at it, sometimes my message maybe even get better. But the point is, YouTube is the place to be. So before we get into this affiliate thing, I just want to convince you that yes, this is the place to do it. This is the place where you want to do your affiliate marketing. Now I do affiliate marketing too, but let's kind of talk about what the different types of affiliate marketing actually are. Now, one of the first types of affiliate marketing is where you're actually selling your own product. Okay, you are the affiliate, you're also the product. Maybe you're going to do a video, and then below the video you may put a link for something that you're selling that is your own product. Pretty cool stuff. I mean, you can do that, you can make some money. Now the other thing I want to tell you before I get into the rest of them is you don't have to do just one of these. Okay, you can do all of these or some of these. Okay, so the next thing is, I could talk about something in my video. Maybe I'm going to do a product review of something. A lot of YouTubers do product reviews, or they mention a product within their video, and below that I may have a link for that particular product that I talked about, and people can click on it and go buy that product, and then I get a commission. Now that's a product where I don't have to fulfill it, I don't have to develop it, I don't have to do anything. All I gotta do is talk about it and say there's a link in the description below. The next type of affiliate marketing you can actually do would be sponsored videos. Okay, that is where somebody actually pays you to do a video, and in many cases a lot of companies will not only pay you to do a video, they'll also give you a percentage of the profits when you put a link below to their product, so that when people, you know, hear about whatever the product is, maybe it's a set of knives, maybe it's, you know, a dog leash, or maybe it's a camera, whatever it is you're talking about in your video, you'll actually get a percent of the sales when they click on that link and they go and buy the product. So that's another thing you can do. Now the next one, it's pretty popular, it's pretty good, and the affiliate marketing plan for this one is called Amazon. That's right, Amazon will let you set up an affiliate account, and you can select any product you want on Amazon and create an affiliate link and put that affiliate link below in the description of your video. Now in this video I have several links below. You can find those links, you can click on those links, you know, for lights and cameras and computers and all these different things I use, and you can go to that link and actually buy that product on Amazon. Now Amazon doesn't pay a whole lot, it's only a few percent, but I have a lot of different products down there, and it's not just that product. So a lot of people think, well, you know, if they go and buy that product, great, but what if they don't buy that? Well, if they buy anything, I think it's within 48 hours I still get a commission on it because they used my affiliate link. So that's another really cool way that you can make money through affiliate marketing on YouTube. And if you notice, all of the things I talked about just now had nothing to do with how many subscribers I had. It didn't matter how many subscribers I had. I can use all these affiliate links from my very first video on. Now another thing you can do, and it's kind of an affiliate thing, but you can drive them to your blog. You can say, hey, I've got a blog, click below in the description, go to my blog, you know, read some of my articles, read some of my stories, and within those blogs you can have affiliate links. Once again, you can talk about particular products, you can talk about particular programs, you can talk about all kinds of things and put those affiliate links within your blog. So it's not a direct affiliate link, it's not directly on YouTube, but from YouTube they go to your blog. When they get to the blog, there's affiliate links there. Now let's talk a little bit about selling online. I think it's interesting when somebody first tries to sell online, because what they do is they find a product and they try to market that product, and it'll work or it won't work. Okay, that's only two ways it can go. And if it doesn't work, they make a determination. They go, hey, selling online doesn't work, I think I'll quit. And it's kind of funny, and I want to kind of take you back to some of the things I've done. I've done programs and I've done courses and different things, and I put them online, and they may not work that day, they may not work that week, but maybe a month later somebody will buy it, maybe a year later, maybe 2 years later. And what I figured out is the more things I have out there, the more affiliate links I have out there, the more programs I come up with, the more products I come up with, over time that all starts to build up. So initially when you try to sell something online, it may not work the way you want. Okay, now I've had some launches that were tremendous and I made 6 figures on the launches, and that was great, and I still make money to this day on a lot of those products. But I have some that didn't do anything. You know, I didn't make any money on it. I never did make any money on it, as a matter of fact. However, then I've got some that I didn't make any money on in the beginning, but over time I did make money on. So when you combine all of those things together, it creates a pretty darn good income. So I don't want you to get discouraged. I don't want you to go into this and say, hey, I want to do affiliate marketing, but the product I tried didn't work, so what am I doing wrong? I don't know why. I couldn't tell you why with that particular product. You can refer below and put a question below in the comments, and I'll be happy to check it out. But the thing is, understand that not everything's going to work. I operate, and I think most really successful people operate under the 80-20 rule, and that's 80% of the things you do don't work out. 80%, but that doesn't mean you stop trying, because that 20% that does work out really can earn you a lot of money, and that's what I live for, is that 20%. And every time something doesn't work, I actually kind of feel a little bit of joy. I'm like, that didn't work, that's great. Now why would I feel that way? Because I know I knocked out one of the things that doesn't work. I got rid of that, and I'm that much closer to the 20% that does work. And that's basically how selling online is. Not everything's going to work, not everything's going to work out the way you want, but if you keep doing things and you keep trying things, you keep adding things, you're going to get some results, you're going to get some successes. That's just the way it is. Now I will tell you, you can kind of speed up the process, and you can speed up the process by learning the right way to do things. On this channel I have a lot of videos on how to make money online, and those videos, what I've done is I've taken the 20% that did work and I made videos out of it, like this video right here. I didn't know, and in the beginning, you know, I tried to sell stuff and didn't make money too, but I kept trying and trying and trying, kept finding different things that do work, different methods that work, different types of marketing that works, started doing emails, started doing ads, and all of these things are learned. You may be sitting there right now saying, well, JR, I don't know all this stuff, I don't know how to do all this stuff. Nobody does in the beginning. Nobody's born with internet marketing skills. Okay, that it doesn't work that way. You have to learn these things. Now on this channel I've got well over 700 videos at the time of this recording. So 700 videos is a lot of videos, and you can actually go through those videos and you can watch and learn. All these videos are free. They don't cost you anything. As a matter of fact, I do have a course below. It's a $97 course. You can click that link and sign up for that course. There's no credit card required. I don't charge you anything. You don't need to do anything but click and learn. So that's pretty easy. In addition to that, you can actually go into my channel and search the actual channel for a particular subject. Let's say you want to learn about SEO. Let's say you want to learn about making money with your laptop. Let's say you want to learn about making money while you travel. You can type any of that into the search bar when you go to my channel and find videos on those particular subjects. I hope this video helped you out. I hope you see that affiliate marketing can be done immediately on YouTube. It's one of the best places to do it. You don't need a big audience. You don't need tons of views. You can automatically start doing this. Expect the best, but understand that not everything will always work out. Okay, that's just the way it is. But if you keep trying, you keep showing up, you keep doing what you do, you're gonna make money. I thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there. If it's red, it's warning you. It's saying, hey, you need to click me. Okay, you need to click it and turn it gray. And you also need to turn on all bell notifications. That's a little bell that's next to that subscribe button. It won't show up until you subscribe to it. It won't allow you to. Okay, but once it does, you need to take advantage of it. You need to click the bell, turn on all notifications, so that I can notify you every single time I do a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.